Hello, today I'm teaching you how to make custom-made Photoshop textures. So all you need is to identify the texture that you need. Today I'm dealing with a grass texture. So you just copy the texture from Google, then come to your Photoshop, paste the image there. Uh, so depending on what scale you need your grass at, you can rescale or increase the size or decrease the size depending on the scale that best fits your project. And after doing that, all you have to do is crop out the extra bit, prevent your texture from having some additional bits that are not necessary. Then all you have to do now is edit, define the pattern, then label your texture, and when you come to clone stamp pattern, your texture is over there. Thank you.